Hello, how are you guys? This is your boy Danny Simawere. I'm back again with another video, and the video for today is about the trades that I've been holding for such a long time. I think it's been holding for this trades for almost a month now, and these trades are holding from I analyzed them from on July 11. So that's a month of holding, a month and 4 days, because today is the 15th. So that's a month in 4 days. So here are the trades here. We've got USD. I took a short trade. And let's see how it's going up. So that's the short trade. I took a short trade here because there was a touch on my MA, and this one is in profit, but there's a fluctuation though. I think I will just hold it till it proves me wrong, because I can see on the upside there is a rejection. That's the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So these are swing trade. So I see a rejection here, so I still think the market is still gonna what? It's gonna go down, and it's still in profit. Then we move on to the next one. The next one is pound sec. It's pound sec. I took a long position, because I saw something like inverted head and shoulders here. So I'm expecting the market to come up to somewhere here. Somewhere here. This is where my TP is. So I'm expecting the market to come somewhere here. So for now, we are in a profit. Because the market is going to complete its cycle for somewhere here to somewhere. But I don't know, maybe it might change the direction and go down here, because the market is not what? It's not predictable. It does whatever it does, all you have to do is just to react. Then we move on to the next one. So this is the pound sec. Pound sec is in profit. So USDN is in profit, pound sec is in profit. Then we move on to the next one. The next one is oil. Oil, I took a short position. There we are. It's down 3.308%. Here we are on oil. This was a killer trade. We've been holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now, holding it, but it's time to get out, because I can see here it came to the previous point. After we come into the previous point, you can see there is this candlestick closed inside the previous candlestick, so it's called an inside bar. That's how we call it. So that's a profit as well. Then move on to the next one. The next one is USD 10-year bond. We took a short position there. So this is what it is. Short position. So I'm expecting the market to come to somewhere here. This is where my TP is. Somewhere around 3177. That's where my TP is. Let's just say 30.00. Somewhere here. That's where my TP is. So I'm just gonna hold it. So I think this one is a reversal. It's gonna continue going down. Then move on to the next one. Where is the next one? The next one is oil as well, crude oil. I took a long position there. Oil. Then this is where I made a fuck up. It's not a fuck up though, but that's how I analyzed, and I missed it. I thought the market was coming to somewhere there, but it reversed back to down here. So this was a loss. This is a loss for now. This is our first loss. 11th of July. Then we move on to the next one. The next one is USD oil. That's the CFD, contract of difference on the crude oil. I took a short position because I saw like the market was respecting these levels, and I saw here. Then I was like, I think it's time to take a short trade. So I took a short trade, and it's down 139%. So let's see how it's rolling. Yeah, it's in profit. You're still holding it. So these are swing trades. You're just gonna see, maybe here I'm gonna get out from here, because I can see that the market closed this gap here. This week have been closed here. So I think the market, and also their sensitive area, this sensitive area and this sensitive area as well. So I think the market is gonna go back up and form something like a double top, and it falls down. Okay, but now it's okay. For now we are in profit. Move on to the next one. The next one is best of them all. That's silver versus what's this, what do you call it, USD. This was the best of them all. Silver versus USD, we took a short trade here, and it's down 244% here. Boom. So I can see that it's time to take out our profits and look for another entry point, because I think the market is now want to come back here. But I think I'm just gonna wait for exit strategy. So I'm gonna wait for something like a morning star or evening star, or touch on my moving average, something like that, or twin candlesticks. That's the tweezer bottoms, you know. So that's how I get out. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna hold it and just gonna wait. Then the next one is, well, it's one and the same thing. That's silver versus euro. Silver versus euro, I take a short trade as well. It's paid very well. So this is what it is, guys. It's in profit. It's in profit. So we've been holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now, and there's no need to rush. Just holding your trades, holding your trades, holding your trades, holding your trades. Then this is another profit as well. So move on to the next one. The next one is AUD USD, Australian dollar versus USD dollar. I took a short trade and it's up 47%, but I think I'm still in profit because this is a swing trade. I'm still holding it, and I'm expecting the market to come somewhere here. This is where I'm expecting the market to come to, somewhere here. This is where my TP is. This is where my TP is. So I'm just gonna hold it for the next 3 or 4 weeks, then we'll see what it's gonna do from there. Then we move on to the next one. The next one is Netflix. Netflix, I took a short trade. Oh, let's wait. Okay. So that was it, and then we move on to the next one. The next one was Netflix. Yes, let's go. So that's the 24. Now we are on 24 July. Trades that are analyzed. So I took a short trade there. Boom. That was a nice short trade according to our analysis. Let's see how the market went. Still in profit, and I'm expecting the market to come somewhere here, but I think it's a rejecting my TP. So I think it's time to get out, because I can see something like a inverted head and shoulders, because this must be a shoulder. This is the head, and this must be a shoulder. So I think it's time to get out. Took out my profits. That's on the 24th of July. Then move on to the next one. The next one is Twitter. Twitter took a short position as well. That's 24. That's 24. We took a short position there. Let's see how it went. Yeah, we are in profit, though we are still holding, but the market is gonna form something like a double top and something like that. From here, then it drops. That's what I think. But we are in profit, so I'm just gonna hold and leave it there and see how is it gonna react. How is it gonna respond to my strategy? If I miss some money, if I have to get out or what. But we are in profit now, so it's good. Okay, for now, move on to Tesla. Who goes short against Tesla? Who am I going short against Tesla? This guy, I don't know. I just didn't that. You see, I lost it. Yeah, this was a short trade. I took a short trade here, then it stopped me out here. So this was a loss. Then we move on to the next one. The next one is gold. I took a short position. Here, and it went very well. It hit my TP was somewhere here, so it hit my TP. So this was a nice trade. A nice trade. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. This was the video for today. It was my trades that I analyzed on the 11th and the 24th of July. So they are soon trades, and most of them are in profit. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Danny C. Mawere, and see you in the next one.